Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to create a Facebook page in 2026. So we start by opening the Facebook application, then press on the right corner to go to our profile, then press in the top left corner to open the menu. Here you can immediately see the option to create a Facebook page right below your Facebook name, or you can go to the page section first. You can see the menu option at the bottom. If you don't see the page, you just press see more to see more menu. There will be pages there. You can press it. Then on the page, press create at the top. Okay, so first step in the creating a page, you need to enter a name for your page. In the see more section, I choose create a public page so it is completely separate from my main Facebook account, and this is not the professional mode of my main Facebook account. Press next to continue. The next step is to select a category from the page. After entering the category, press create. The next step is that you need to complete your page by filling in some information, and this is not mandatory for your to fill in. So here you can make your page look more professional by filling in your bio, contact, location, and so on. Then press next. The next step is to add a profile photo and background to make your page more attractive. Then press next. The next step is you can invite your Facebook friends to like your new page, or you can just skip this by pressing next. So the next thing is the settings so you can stay informed about your page. Here I will just press next because this can be set later. In this menu for editing page, you can press at the bottom to finish the creating page. And finally here we have successful create our Facebook page. Here you can go to the profile section to see your profile, and you can complete some things are not complete here. Thank you for watching and see you in another one.